Tired of waiting days for your Zelle transfers to hit your Chime account? This video will show you how to instantly send money from Zelle to Chime. So let's get started. First, you need to make sure your Chime account is enabled to use Zelle. Open your Chime app and navigate to the settings menu. Look for the option to connect to Zelle or enroll in Zelle. If you haven't already, tap enroll and follow the on-screen instructions to link your Chime debit card or bank account. Next, open your Zelle app. If you don't already have Zelle, download it from your app store. Next, select your recipient or add them as a new contact by searching for their name or email address. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your recipient and tap Send Now. Confirm your payment details like the sender, recipient, and amount, and then tap Confirm and Send. And that's it. Your money should now be in your recipient's Chime account. If money does not transfer instantly, check your internet connection. You can also try closing both apps and restarting them. If problems persist, confirm you have the correct recipient's email address or phone number, or try contacting Zelle or Chime support. And that's how to instantly send money between Zelle and Chime. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more helpful videos.